Good evening, Rhondda. I'm Colin Parsons, and I'm going to be reading an excerpt from my book, The Curious World of Shelley Bendor. Shelley was still sleepy after being wrenched from her dreams by her mother's ranting from downstairs. So sleepy, in fact, that as she wandered aimlessly across the landing, she just missed the slippers scattered loosely and dangerously in her path. She also skimmed precariously past the rollerblade, abandoned awkwardly on the corner of the stairs. She even managed to avoid the towel that hung partly over the banister. It lay coiled like a bear trap, waiting for its victim. Having avoided all the near misses, she unfortunately didn't step squarely onto the top step, slightly catching the tip of her heel on the edge. Her right foot slid off the first step, closely followed by her left, and then the rest of her body. Whoosh! There was a cold rush of air and a jerk. Shelley descended relatively slowly at first, but with the gathering momentum of travel, she sped up. Her bottom acted as half brake and half buffer, connecting with each of the 18 stairs. Thud, 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 thud. Her eyes flickered open and shut with each bounce. She tried to call out, but couldn't. Ouch, 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 ouch was all that echoed in her mind on her relentless journey to the passageway floor. Halfway down, and Shelley began to see double, even triple, as her eyes bounced about in her head like balls in a lottery tombola. The seat of her pyjama bottoms heated up under the intense friction, and her backside began to steadily glow as red as a traffic light. She clenched her teeth and closed her eyes tight shut, and waited for the inevitable impact at the bottom. And then it came. On the last step, like a pellet from a slingshot, she bounced off and sailed through the air, coming to land face down on the passageway carpet, knocking all the wind out of her lungs. She lay still for a few moments, trying to catch her breath, in between spitting out fibres of carpet thread.